Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Blue color, yellow color, red color, black color, brown color and green color. Kids, so now we draw alphabets and use blue color. And first we draw A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, so now you draw J and use yellow color. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. It's now you draw N. The alphabets of N. N for nose. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. It's now you draw S and use red color. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. W for wheel. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Kids, now you draw numbers and use black color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.